What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the Ninebot F40 in 2026. Where is still worth to buy or no? I will try to answer this question right now. So actually that's a global version of Ninebot F40. It's also very similar to F30, F25, F28. It's just cheaper model. So this model right now I got second-hand, so actually it's produced from 2021, and second-hand version now in 2026 you can buy for around $150. I got actually it's quite cheap, $150 is really cheap for this scooter. This scooter has actually the engine, the motor power is around 350 watt in a regular one and 700 watt in peak. The maximum speed is 30 kilometers per hour, so actually I unlocked the scooter and it can go quite fast. The weight is really light, it's 15.8 kilogram, it's very portable, 10 inches pneumatic tires here, anti-puncture tires, as you see, front motor here. On the back you've got just a disc brakes. Of course it's a budget model, but still looks quite fancy and nice. So as you see the disc brakes here, so the back stopper is available. Of course the charger here, and you can also have the bar that you can just open it and carry it with you, very convenient. Also you have the horn here like this, the screen, so screen is very primitive. You have the front light here. And when you press the brake you have the backlight. Also you can change the sport mode, eco mode, and 30 kilometers per hour is the maximum speed when it's unlocked. 120 kilogram is the maximum load on it. 20-degree gradient hill climbing, IPX5 waterproof. It's actually quite solid made. It looks very similar to F2 or F2 Plus. Of course it's a bit budget here, and as you see it's still quite good and well quality. Here is a metal. This part is staying very stable comparing to Xiaomi scooters. Also the metal is high quality. As you see the tires, 10 inches, also quite nice. It's original tires. 3000 kilometers I was riding the scooter, and it's really still operating quite well with no issues. And the battery of course it's not that strong for its price. The battery is around 10.2 ampere or 367 watt hour. It's good, and the max range it's advertises up to 40 kilometers, of course on eco mode, but the real range is up to 20-25 kilometers, which is still quite well for the scooter. Also it depends on your weight, of course. And as you see, after 3000 kilometers only the handles become a bit yellow, but in general still looks good. Quality is quite well made, let's say, and no lift here, and actually working well, operating well, even for this price, $150 in 2026. If you want, I will compare the scooter with other scooters. I have quite many Ninebot scooters available, so leave it in the comments below. I will check it out whether it's applicable to compare with other scooter, but for this price, $150 second hand, it's a really good option. It's high quality, operating well, looks good, and range is good. Very reliable scooter for this price.